Question 7. Write root 125 plus root 20 in the form of k root 5, where k is an element of the quotient set. So we start by writing out root 125 plus root 20, and we want to rewrite each of these as something root 5. So we rewrite root 125 as root 25 root 5, because 25 times 5 is 125. And 25 is a square number. We want a square number at the front, and we want root 5 at the back. Then we rewrite the square root of 20 as root 4 root 5, because 4 times 5 is 20. And again, we want a square number at the front, 4 is a square number, and we want root 5 at the back. The square root of 25 is 5, and root 5 stays the same. These are stuck together, so we get 5 root 5. And the square root of 4 is 2. And root 5 stays the same. So we get 2 root 5, these are stuck together. So we have 5 root 5 plus 2 root 5, which will give us 7 root 5. Just like 5x plus 2x would give us 7x. So the answer is 7 root 5, which is in the form of k root 5, where k is an element of the quotient set.